Koktishalu National Law University Tripura Auditorium ne poila ni bagai apangshu Mohanlut Smriti koklam panda songsajaka poila ni bagai songsajak o koklam panda fai manjak fai ka hakotar kusuk adalatni mungganang kerangfa Deepak Gupta vonakaribu manjaka National Law University Tripura ne Vice Chancellor UV Shaha kerangfa SC Das hastani Advocate General Shoktimoi Chakraborty Akosong ashal ni koklam pandabo rule of law te rule of the High Court no twiwi kokshaka Kuchuk adalatni kerangfa Deepak Gupta.
There would be a set of rules by which everybody should be governed. The citizens of a nation should be governed by law and not by the ideas of certain men or group of people. Otherwise, Professor Dicey is normally credited with introducing and propounding the concept of the rule of law. But one sees its applicability in various more ancient civilizations. I mentioned Aristotle from Greece. Even in India, we had a lot of kings who ruled according to Nyaya or who ruled according to Dharma. Both of them are also, in a sense, rules of law. But the problem with these rules of law was that they were very individual-centric. One king could be very fair, could apply the law strictly in accordance with the law, but his son could be a despot who would say, I will do what I please. So there was no, and therefore when modern democracies came into place, it was felt that it is better to have a written constitution where the rule of law is embedded there. Well, not so modern, I wouldn't say modern, but the written concept of the rule of law finds its first manifestation in June 2015 in the signing of the Magna Carta. I think many would be aware, but just to enlighten you, King John ruled England at that time.
Ashal ni koklam pandavo kok narakate bu manjak finai kerong faro. Bureau report. Kok Kharang.